Hey, Johnny Timmons again, Marinemax in Houston, Texas. Today we're on our 2024 36 Aviara. This is our first boat to get with the twin V10 400s. We got to pick out the interior, the gel coat options, all the options for the boat, and it really came out fabulous. You'll notice the khaki sea deck, white motors in V10, twins, not triples, joystick powered, navy blue hull sides, underwater lights. Really turned out to be a fabulous boat. Hey, it's Johnny again. We're back up top. Now we're in the 36 Aviara. Inside the cockpit, couple things I wanted to show you. Again, we order all our boats with the Ready Shade. Clips, stereo all the way throughout. I love the khaki seats, the cool touch. And then the khaki sea deck. It really turned out fabulous. One of the cool things we love about the 36, you've got a DC fridge that sits right here. Then we're going to open up both of these. You got a great little well to make drinks on. Kenyan grill. Then you've got the full bar area that sits right here. Turn that around. Working forward, Simrad display, you got two, plus the touch screen for all of our other options. Again, all of our boats are always going to be joystick powered with the Skyhook feature, autopilot, all the other fun stuff. I'm going to open up the little head compartment because on the 36, not only is it a full standalone head, but you've also got the sun pad room that's downstairs as well. And this is all air conditioned or reverse cycle heat. Close it up, we'll work our way forward real quick. Nice deep, we're up hip high. And plenty of storage, plenty of seating all the way up here. Stop by and see us. We're on NASA Parkway in Houston, Texas. Again, my name's Johnny Timmons. We're on the 36 Aviara.